covered with His blood and Holy Ghost. So I say, I go dey do younger.
I'm back with another makeup video, but this time I'm doing makeup on someone that I know, my sister. So, right, I know I'm not so good at makeup. Before you start saying something else. Hi. Yeah. We're still going to show again. That was too fast. You get me? So yeah, that's what this is going to be about. And if you're not subscribed there, make sure you do that. Subscribe down there, click on the notification button, so anytime I post you get notified. Like, share, drop your comments and share this video, okay? And
I play one match but I score many goals. Yeah. So many goals. Only me be actor but so many goals. Yeah. So many goals. Only one dream but so many goals. Yeah. So many goals. All I'm covered with His blood and Holy Ghost. So I say, I go dey do younger. I go dey do younger. You go dey do younger. We go dey do younger. We go dey do younger now. We go dey do younger now. We go dey do younger. We go dey do younger now. Right now, say me big up me chest. Me special, say me one of the best. Yeah, I'm a conqueror. Every little thing when me spill is a bonfire. No, say me coming with some more fire. For this game, never mean a run tire. Me give it to them all them wanting. Me name not the girls, them calling. Loving me, watching me like a love scene. You ain't feeling me, you still on the long thing. Yes, me bust up the place like an earthquake. And you know I'm the one them arches. Wap City where we come from, we the best, and you know we no settle for the less. We run it, yeah, we run it. I go dey do younger. I go dey do younger. You go dey do younger. We go dey do younger. We go dey do younger now.
yeah, try now.
You live within yourself, yeah? Hey. What's the mommy? Sorry, I swear that.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
One side.
So you go down now.
You go dey do younger. We go dey do younger. We go dey do younger now. Okay. We go dey do younger now. It's your boy General Twist. You know the Mara. Do younger now. Aye. Content a vibe. General Twist me a chill up on the eye. Get ready. Genesis.